Ukupheka umlando emkhandlweni waseMangaung, i-ANC ibiphethe yehlule amaqembu aphikisayo. UPapi Mokoena akusikho kokuqala imeya emkhandlweni waseMangaung. Uqokwe yiwo wonke amakhansela bethamele umhlangano. uDavid Masuya uqokwe waba usotwebhu omusha womkhandlu.
The plan is first to try and restore a little bit of order in the municipality. You know, we have been without an executive mayor for quite a while now. We have been without city manager for quite a while, and we have been without HODs for a while. So we need to be able to ensure that that top structure of the municipality is put in place as quick as possible.
Usotwebhu we-DA umusha uthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi lo mkhandlu ulungise izinkinga zawo.
Mangaung is in a difficult situation. We all know that, and we will need inputs from all concerned, especially the councillors from different political parties.
Amaqembu aphikisayo athi lolu guquko belidingeka.
The people of Mangaung has won, and many of those who are detractors have lost. We have seen today the ANC fighting democracy, something that they always claim to have fought for.
The Freedom Front Plus is happy and satisfied with the results of today's council meeting.
Kusenjalo, amakhansela e-ANC axoshiwe kulomkhandlu asehlinzekwe ngamaphepha enkantolo mayelana nokungalandeli kwawo umgomo weqembu.